Hi, I'm Ben with Heirloom Roses. I want to talk to you about pruners. And specifically, I want to talk to you about the professional grade pruners that we offer on our website. These are a Baco. They're a 24-inch long-handled pruner. And you know, when I'm pruning roses, a lot of times, this is primarily what I'll use for pruning roses in the spring and even in the summertime if I'm doing some long deadheading. It allows you to get in and work on the plant without getting your hands inside the plant and getting cut up. So I think this is an essential for everyone in the garden. And then we offer two different types of pruners here. We have the Felcos, the classic Felcos. You can't go wrong with these. We offer them two different sizes, a medium and a large. These are the industry standard for years and really will hold up and do a great job. You can replace the parts on them. It's part of what our team uses here at the nursery. And then I also want to talk to you about maybe the lesser known Baco pruners. These are also a professional grade pruner, and these are personally what I use in my garden. I like them because they have a nice ergonomic grip. They're a composite handle, and I like that the safety on the closer is really easy for me to get to when I'm wearing gloves. So all of these are excellent quality. They can be sharpened and they should last you years. And they're available at heirloomroses.com.